I have strived for so many years to try to give something that can work on so many different levels for so many different people. And I will give you one example, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to tell you everything because this is such a gift that you can give to so many different types of people. And this is like a cute, fun gift. This is the Ultimate Espresso Martini Kit. I just recently got this, and I have a party that I'm going to. I needed a gift that is well-rounded, you can bring, it's cute, and it's something that a lot of people can participate in. Well, this right here, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to get up and close and personal so you can know exactly what you're getting in this kit. I opened it up and I was super surprised because you don't need anything else. Obviously, you know, the alcohol or non-alcohol that you want to mix in all of this. It's a martini, but you can make it virgin if you want. It comes with all the necessities of making different types of martini. I've already dived into this little book that it comes with, and it has so many cute, fun ideas for different types of martinis. Now, I don't drink alcohol very often, but this right here is like a go-to to bring to like a housewarming gift, or I'm going to a girls' night out, and you best believe this is exactly what I'm taking. It has espresso martini, like all of the like different flavors. There's cane sugar. You don't really need anything other than what's in this, and then your alcohol of choice, or go for juice. If you want to get something fancy like that, you can do something like that. It has 2 glasses and a shaker. Now the shaker, oh man, this is really packed in here. So let me get up close and personal, and then you can see exactly what you're getting, and you can have the perfect gift for the next opportunity that you have to give someone. Show briefly the coffee, the cardamom, the cacao beans, there's sugar, and it comes with a really handy guide of what you can be making as well. And it has like instructions step by step, different flavors, hot water, vodka, cocoa. So I highly recommend, if you need another gift idea that can be used for a universal housewarming gift, or you're taking for a girls' night out and you want to have something that you can do with your girlfriends and make it a fun gift-giving experience, I highly recommend this right here.